Air transport is the fastest mode of transportation and plays a vital role in connecting distant places. However, in Africa, it is not as developed or widely used as in other continents due to several challenges. Below are 10 major limitations of air transport in Africa. 1. High cost of air travel. Air travel in Africa is expensive for both passengers and cargo. The cost of purchasing aircraft, maintaining them, and the high cost of aviation fuel makes air tickets unaffordable for the average citizen, limiting mass usage. 2. Inadequate infrastructure. Many African countries lack well-developed airports and airstrips. Some existing facilities are outdated and lack modern navigation, communication, and safety equipment, which limits efficiency and safety in air travel. 3. Low purchasing power. A large proportion of Africa's population lives below the poverty line, meaning air transport remains a luxury for many. This limits domestic demand, making it hard for airlines to operate profitably on local routes. 4. High maintenance costs. Aircraft require regular servicing and high technical standards. The cost of maintaining aircraft is high, and many African countries lack local facilities, forcing airlines to send planes abroad for maintenance. 5. Unfavorable weather conditions. Frequent tropical storms, fog, and thunderstorms in some regions of Africa can interrupt or delay flights, making air travel less reliable and more risky in certain areas. 6. Political instability and insecurity. Some parts of Africa experience conflict, terrorism, and civil unrest, which affects flight safety and reduces investor confidence in expanding air transport infrastructure in those regions. 7. Shortage of skilled personnel. There is a general lack of qualified aviation professionals such as pilots, engineers, and air traffic controllers in many African countries. This leads to over-reliance on expatriates, increasing operational costs. 8. Limited cargo capacity. Air transport is not ideal for bulky or heavy goods. Due to high costs and limited cargo space, it is mainly used for light, high-value, or perishable goods, which limits its economic utility across sectors. 9. Poor interconnectivity. Air transport in Africa suffers from limited regional connections. Many countries are not well linked by direct flights, forcing travelers to pass through international hubs, often outside the continent, increasing costs and time. 10. Strict safety and regulatory requirements. Air transport is governed by strict international regulations on safety, security, and environment. Meeting these standards requires huge investment, which many African countries struggle to achieve.